Welcome to Mondays with Nick. Today we're talking about, you guessed it, games. Nowadays when you say games, people might think of a video game or something you do on your phone or device. But tabletop and travel and yard games are actually making a big comeback. I don't want to sound like an old curmudgeon, but I remember my favorite game show back in the day. You guys remember the Name That Game game? No? Well, take a look at this.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Name That Game. I'm Wink Winkerton. Now let's go to our contestants. First, on the left, hailing from Manhattan Beach, California, it's Chad.
Hi, Mom.
And in the middle, hailing from Mason, Ohio, our returning champion, Monday the Clown. And finally, on the right, he hails from 17th century England. Everybody give a warm welcome to Feeble Peasant. All right, hands on buzzers. You have 10 seconds to answer. What's the name of this fun outdoor game?
The name of the game is Family Ring Toss.
Oh, Chad buzzed in first. Go ahead, Chad.
Oh, I totally know this one. Tic-tac-toe, bro.
Wow, that is shockingly wrong. Yes, Monday the Clown, go ahead.
That game's called Ring Around the Rosie.
Holy moly, that's totally wrong. Let's go to the Feeble Peasant.
I know what that is. Well, that's ring toss.
Oh, so sorry, that buzzer means we're out of time. Tune in next Monday for the Name That Game. I'm Wink Winkerton, and have a fantastic Monday.
That Wink Winkerton is so cool. He's so cool. I want to be just like him when I grow up. We've got a really broad selection of games to choose from our fun on the go games like checkers and tic-tac-toe. Or nowadays everyone's in the yard playing yard dice or family ring toss. All of our games will come in a travel case or bag like this one that we'll put a logo on. Click the links below to find out more about all of the games we offer. Thanks and have a fantastic Monday. You want to play?